Hello creative people and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be showing you how I created this beautiful sleeping beanie. I really like the video and let's start with the tutorial. As you know, my channel is all about sustainability. Therefore, I will be using fabric that actually is from a wedding dress and a gown that I saved, and now I will be using that fabric to create this beanie. I think it's very important to have a silk inside, and then it can be another type of fabric on the outside, which is the face fabric, but for the inner part, the silk is very good for your hair, so therefore I'm choosing this golden yellowish silk underneath. The first step is to fold the fabric 2 times and measure 30 centimeters from the corner and then create a circle. And then you're gonna cut it and do exactly the same thing for the face fabric. The second part will be to create this little hole that is going to be for the back of your head, and this is 10 centimeters, and then you're gonna cut this as well. And then you're going to sew it, so flip the fabric inside out, a straight line, this half. The second step is to create ruffles on the edges, so we are creating the beanie. So therefore, just sew a straight line and try to pull, not so the thread will break, just pull very slightly and create these little ruffles. Remember that line of these ruffles needs to be about 60 centimeters. It's really a little bit optional depending on how much hair or head you have, but for me I think 60 centimeters was the perfect size. And the second step will be to create a ribbon. You can actually use already finished ribbon or elastic ribbon or whatever you feel like it. I actually just use a fabric that I had from the wedding dress and I just apply it on the beanie, and that was actually it. Looking at it now, it looks like a chef's hat. But anyway, this is actually a present for my sister. She have a beanie that she made it, and wanted to give her the proper one. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. So stay tuned and see you soon again. Hej då!